Ever wondered why some diets work for others but not for you? It's like navigating a labyrinth of food choices hoping to stumble upon the right path. But what if the answer lies in our ancient past? Could the paleo diet be the secret to your weight loss success? It's time to delve into what the paleo diet truly entails. Imagine a time before grocery stores and fast food chains, a time when humans hunted, fished, and gathered their food. This is the essence of the paleo diet, eating as our ancestors did. This dietary approach is centered around consuming whole foods that are naturally available, such as lean meats, fish, fruits, and vegetables. The paleo diet encourages embracing foods in their most natural form, while avoiding those that are processed or packed with artificial additives and sugars. But it's not just about what you can eat. It's equally about what you shouldn't. Dairy, grains, and legumes are generally off the table, as they were not part of our ancestors' diets. It's about stripping away modern conveniences and returning to the roots of our dietary needs. In essence, the paleo diet isn't just a diet, it's a return to the essentials, the way our bodies were designed to eat. So what makes the paleo diet stand out in the crowded world of weight loss strategies? Well, it offers multiple benefits. Improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and a boost in energy are all part of the package. Not to mention, it's a dynamic weight loss tool. The paleo diet could just be the kickstart your body needs. Ready to take the leap and try the paleo diet? For a faster route to your weight loss goals, we've got just the thing. Click the link in the description for a quicker solution. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your journey begins with a click.